Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Nordstrom credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Go to the search box at the top and type in www.nordstromcard.com and press enter. On the next page, you'll be able to see your login portal displayed on the screen. If you'd like to sign up to manage your Nordstrom card online, you can click on the Sign Up Now link at the right-hand side. But if you already have an account and you'd like to log into it, enter your username in the first box appearing at the left-hand side. Make sure to type in your username correct and then head over to the password field and type in your password. Always make sure to double check your password if you are typing it incorrect or not by clicking on this little eye icon. In case you don't remember your username or your password, click on this Forgot Username or the password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password or to look for your username. After you're done entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into your Nordstrom credit card account. Quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.